An on-duty nurse has been allegedly molested by a male patient at Illambazar block primary health center is what we are learning. This incident comes at a time when nationwide protests are underway over the Arjikar rape and murder case. The accused, Sheikh Abbasuddin, has been arrested for molesting the nurse. The accused was admitted to the hospital with fever around 8 on Saturday night. She was abused and molested, and the nurse while being treated by the on-duty nurse. Brian Thomas, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to give us more details about this. Brian, what more can you tell us about this new development?
Well, Vineet, definitely now a man has, been arrested in West Bengal's Birbhum district for allegedly molesting a female nurse at the government-run hospital. You know, one incident has not even been closed and another you see happening in the state of West Bengal. Now, this incident also occurred when the patient who had been brought to the hospital on a stretcher due to high fever was inappropriate touched the nurse while she was administering a saline drip, as we are getting from our reports as well. Even in her police statement also, Vineet, the nurse stated that the patient not only touched her inappropriately but also used offensive language towards her. Now, yes, the hospital authorities definitely immediately alerted the police, who arrived at the scene and arrested the accused. Now, yes, for now, a formal complaint has been filed at the Ilambazar police station and even an investigation is underway. Now, yes, talking about the nurse also, she recounted that the male patient was brought in during the night shift with a fever complaint, and as advised by the doctors also, she was preparing to administrate the saline to him when he misbehaved and he touched her and used foul language. She also goes on to say that she feels, and including her, many other doctors, nurse feel unsafe working in the very hospital due to lack of proper security. And how could a patient act this way? Asked this nurse. And also, earlier also all the doctors and nurses were on the streets, administrating for a safer environment for them. And now in Birbhum district, again in West Bengal, an incident, something like this is happening. Even Dr. Hassan, who was also on duty at the very health center that night, provided further details and said the patient, who is identified as Abbazuddin, arrived at the hospital at around 8:30 p.m. with a fever and began misbehaving almost immediately. And after they did some clinical examinations also and advised that he should be given injections and IV fluids also. And when the nurse went to administer the saline, the patient behaved violently and molested her by touching her inappropriately, and also requested the patient's family to cooperate. But the patient rather continued to misbehave, as said by Dr. Hassan also, and noted that the incident had been reported to the police and authorities and warned that the staff would consider a clean work if no action is being taken.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.